Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. Blue screen error fix in Windows. Press the power button to turn on your PC, and when you see the small spinning circle of dots that indicates Windows is starting, press and hold the power button until your PC shuts down. You'll have to hold it for 4 to 5 seconds. Do this again, and then again. After you've done it 3 times, start your computer again and let it run. It should now go into automatic repair mode. Click Command Prompt. Type bsod edit. Find your Windows installation drive letter. In my Windows installation drive letter is D. Type sfc /scanno. Type chkdsk /f/x /r d colon. Continue to start Windows. Second method is click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Type Event Viewer in Windows search bar, click Event Viewer. Click System Event, check Critical Event. If any critical event having device driver error, simply roll back the driver. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager, right-click Problematic Driver Hardware. Simply roll back and restart computer. Third method is click Troubleshoot, click Reset this PC. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.